Hello dear, how are you all? I'm opening the BTC daily time frame chart and I shared my thoughts on BTC. Firstly, we will draw a range. This is daily range high, range low, and you see that BTC cleared a rejection from the range high and continue downward to range low, and now BTC again coming back to range low, 1 tap, 2 tap and 3 tap. There is a lot of liquidity here. Yeah, I'll show you in last time frame, that is 1 hour. Okay, now we see there are trendline liquidity. BTC taken one liquidity and there is a second liquidity, and BTC tested order block. This is our order block and you see BTC cleared, touch the order block and go, and now BTC is going on sideways. Is it? We will see there is a fair value gap. Is it? Actually I'm sharing my thoughts. Okay, and what's the further move on BTC now? This is 1 hourly FVG which is pending. I expected that BTC going to here and coming down and take this liquidity above. Okay, my simple and crystal clear setup, I'll show you. There is a low fair value gap and upside. One hourly bearish FVG. Okay, and I will give you simple and crystal clear setup. This is order block, OV on 1 hour. Okay, and I expected that BTC go down, sideways move, sudden taking this FVG and push from here and take that liquidity. Yeah, I mentioned my targets. Stop loss here and take profit here. 1 to 2 risk reward. Okay, I will give you short-term targets. Now I'll see more smaller time frames. Yeah, here we also find the fair value gap. Now you see crystal clear, and here is a minor liquidity pending. Yeah, after that BTC taken this and go down and push from here. This is my short-term targets. And I'll come back after that setup. Hope it will take 1 to 2 days or 3 days. Maybe this setup is valid for next week. And here is our SL. Yeah, 1 to 2 risk reward. Thank you. If you need any analysis or any coin, you will comment here below on our video. We will share our thoughts on that coin. Okay, have a good day. For next time, good luck for this setup, and hope you will learn from our video. Thank you. Bye.